What's up, everyone? How you doing today? Today is Saturday, and that can mean only one thing. We're heading out on the boat, and I think we're going to put in our home ramp, yeah?
You want to try that? We went there a few weeks ago, and it was slamming, and there was a wait.
Something was going on.
Something was on.
We're over that. He's a little... still PTSD on that. Yeah. We got to get out there at 8 in the morning. No.
7 in the morning.
Anyway, we're going to check it out. Put in there. That's up in St. Pete, and we'll kind of mosey on down to probably Shell Key, maybe or Fort DeSoto. We haven't decided yet, which is a little different for us. We're just going to kind of check the waves and weather when we get there, see how it is. Last week we were at the north side of
north side of Shell Key,
and we had a great time. It was beautiful. Lots of marine traffic. Jason saved a shark.
A little shark, a bonnet shark, or whatever.
He beached himself. Some guys were fishing, and I guess maybe he was still in shock.
Yeah.
So he beached himself. Jason ran out there and he swam off.
Yeah. Check it out in the last video.
It was in the last video.
Yeah. So that's the plan. We're gonna do that. If we can't get a spot there, we will go over to Fort DeSoto. Hopefully that's not the problem.
That's not going to be the case. I have.
You got faith.
I have hope.
Yeah. That's the play. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna enjoy it. We got the pub subs.
The pub subs for lunch. We're gonna do our little putt.
Through
Coquina Key. That's where we like to kind of look at all the houses. I hope you're out there getting it today, and we're gonna bring you along with us.
Yeah. So sit back, relax, enjoy the ride, and
let's get on and get.
So the ramp got the last spot before having to go on the grass. It's 10 a.m. So the secret's out on our ramp. So we gotta get here earlier.
Yeah, it didn't used to be this busy, folks. That's why we liked this ramp. It was almost like a little hidden gem. In fact, if you've been watching long enough, you probably noticed we never really say where it's at.
We never really say where it's at because we love it. We love this ramp. We come here. It's not busy. It's been busy. So, I mean, this is 10 a.m. I mean, if we're going to come here, I think we need to get here earlier. So,
what else?
I got the last spot without having to park on the grass. So Kim's gonna back her on up 2 miles away from the beach.
Whatever.
What's the depth right now?
7.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna back her up, throw out this bow anchor here.
2-4.
All right, go ahead and just cut it. I get messed up with the little flippy do.
You just, I mean, you don't have to.
Oh, yeah. So
that's not it. Ooh, this is like a brand new line.
Yeah, I got a brand new line. Where you been?
There you go. That's it.
All right, cool. You want to do 2 anchors? Is that the play? Yeah, let's just do 2. All right. All right, this is where we're at. People. Right now we are on the Gulf side, west side. Very cool,
so pretty.
Cool spot. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna go look for some shells.
Yeah, we're gonna go shelling.
We're gonna go some shelling. We see off in the distance there's some driftwood over there too, so we want to check that out. Want to get some shell. Kim likes the broken shells.
I do like the broken shells. I like the shells that other people don't collect. I don't, can't explain it. But.
Hey, no worries. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna go look for some shells, see if we can get some crushed shell to bring back to put in the yard there.
Yep.
We did that last week. I dumped that big old bucket out on my side of the yard.
Cool.
Let's go look for some shells.
We're gonna look for some shells.
Yeah. All right. Cool. Let's go look at those shells. Peace. back on the boat. We went down that way over there, and then we walked down to that driftwood. You got a nice bucket full of shells.
I did. The driftwood, it's all attached to the land.
We tried to pull it off, but yeah, it is attached. It looks like it's like mangroves that probably, I don't know, eroded or something. I'm not sure, but we tried to get some. We couldn't. But that was nice. Nice walk.
It's so pretty here.
We just been chilling here. We were in the water. We moved. The tide was going out, so we had to move the boat up a little bit, adjust the anchors.
Yeah.
It's been a nice day
it's
here.
so beautiful.
So beautiful here. Lots of nice traffic. Just like looking at all the boats.
Yep.
And all that.
There's been lots of boats.
Yeah, just really enjoying the day. Got some jet skis going by, some other boats, but all in all, a great day. Winds picked up a smidge, but not too bad. And then we got a little bit longer ride back because we did not put in at Fort DeSoto. Put in at our home ramp. Got that last spot, so we're gonna do that. That last spot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a little bit of it's a hike. It's about a half hour.
About a half hour.
Maybe.
Yeah, about a half hour. So. All right, is it like daycare over there or something?
Daycare.
Got daycare over there, but I hope you guys like this video. I know we enjoyed making it. We always enjoy making these videos, bringing you guys with us. This is what we do out here, doing what we do. So see y'all in the next one.
Can I tell you that?